Okay, so first thing, take me back to just before we started working together. What were your biggest challenges at that time?
I think I've already said this like a couple of sessions ago, but just like really just the mental obstacle of like I don't have what it takes to apply for the PMP.
Yeah. Yep, we did talk about that. And what was that like for you?
I feel like it was this big like monster that I could never like break down into smaller pieces to figure
Mhm.
out how to make it manageable. And like now that my application is approved, it's like, wow, the only thing standing between me and the certification that I've been wanting for forever is just literally me taking the time to study and take the test.
That's awesome. That's so awesome. I love it. And I remember you telling me when you got your application approved how excited you were for it. So it's
Yes.
amazing. How did I help you overcome that challenge?
Honestly, just like the confidence boost and just I think I just needed somebody, even though I did already had somebody say that I could do it. I just think that like I was writing her off because like, oh, you don't know anything. But literally just like the confidence boost and then like taking the time to break down the application and like the template was super helpful, of course, and like helping me write the prompt for the like writing each project, but also just like verifying like, yeah, this is legit, or like um transferring the skill into the project format.
Yeah, and your application was beautiful and it didn't get audited.
It didn't get audited.
Yes, we love that. So after working with me, what feels possible for you now?
Taking the test, but also like networking on LinkedIn. I was definitely one of those LinkedIn haters. I still like don't love it, but I do like see the benefits of it now.
Awesome. And do you think you could have gotten here on your own?
Definitely no, like I said, it's just like the mindset block and shifts.
Yeah. Yeah. Was this worth the investment for you?
Most definitely.
What would you say to someone who is hesitant to work with me?
Let's see. I don't know because it's kind of depending on mindset. I just think like general advice is just that like sometimes I think somebody else I heard it a long time ago. It's just like when we're kids, we have our teachers and our coaches for all of the of course education and activities that we're in. But like in life, we don't ever get that. So like having a coach for the things that you want to achieve, I think is always worth the investment.